Hey everyone, today we will solve a machine design problem. So, first question, example of a bolt shear in flange couplings. So the question is a flange coupling for a 35 millimeter shaft uses 6 bolts on a pitch circle diameter of 125 millimeter. If the shaft transmits 800 Newton per meter of torque, calculate the required nominal diameter of bolts if the allowed shear stress for the bolt material is 56 MPa. So here's our solution. So first, our given is D, diameter is equal to 35 millimeter. Our number of tooth is 6. Our DI is equal to 125 millimeter. Our torque is equal to 800 Newton per meter. Convert it to Newton per millimeter, so times 1,000 and you'll have 800,000 Newton per millimeter. And our T is equal to 56 MPa. So solution, the formula will be T is equal to N times pi over 4 times DI squared times T times DI over 2. So substitute all the given to the formula and you will have 800,000 is equal to 6 times pi over 4 times D1 squared times 56 times 125 over 2. So again, if you get the answer and you'll have D1 squared is equal to 48.50. To remove the squared, we need to put a square root. So D1 is equal to square root of 48.50 and you'll have the final answer 6.96 millimeter. Second question, a clamp coupling frictional torque. Question is a split muff coupling uses 4 bolts to connect 2 millimeter diameter shaft. The bolts are tightened to a tensile stress of 70 MPa. Given a coefficient of friction of 0.3 between the muffin shaft, calculate the root diameter of the bolts required to transmit a torque of 600 Newton per meter through friction alone. So here's again the solution. Given diameter is equal to 50 millimeter, number of tooth is 40, stress T is equal to 70 MPa, coefficient of friction is 0.3, our torque is 16 Newton per meter, convert it to Newton per millimeter and you'll have 600,000. Solution, again, formula will be pi squared over 16 times coefficient of friction times D squared times stress times n times d, and substitute all the value and you'll have the final answer. You'll have the answer db squared is equal to 231.59. Again, to the squared, you need to square root the answer. So db is equal to square root of 231.59. So you'll have the final answer 15.22 millimeter. That's all. Thank you.